Get it unlocked, Rambo. Let's have a look at it. I think it's going to be Critter City. Oh wow, this is nice. A TV. Aircon, cooker, fridge. Oh, this is nice. The bathroom. Ooh, I don't know where you're sleeping, Bamb.